Plant-based eating is booming. People everywhere are discovering the delicious world of vegan cuisine. One-star player in this culinary revolution, plant-based meat crumbles. These versatile wonders mimic the texture and taste of ground meat, but with a healthy, eco-conscious twist. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just meat curious, plant-based crumbles offer a world of culinary possibilities. They're incredibly easy to make at home, giving you complete control over the ingredients and flavor. Plus, you can customize them to fit any cuisine or dish. Get ready to explore a world of flavor and discover the joy of cooking with plant-based meat crumbles. What makes these meatless marvels so special? It's all about the ingredients. We're talking about wholesome, plant-based powerhouses that work together to create a surprisingly meaty experience. First up, we have walnuts. These nutty wonders provide a satisfyingly chewy texture that mimics ground meat. Next, we have cooked brown rice. This humble grain adds bulk and a slightly sticky texture that helps bind the crumbles together. To boost the savory depth, we're adding nutritional yeast. This cheesy-tasting ingredient is a vegan staple, providing a umami punch. Finally, tamari and smoked paprika bring a savory, smoky flavor that's reminiscent of traditional meat. Ready to unleash your inner chef? Making plant-based meat crumbles is a breeze. First, gather your ingredients: walnuts, cooked brown rice, nutritional yeast, tamari, smoked paprika, and water. Now, let's get crumbling. Add the walnuts to your food processor and pulse until they're coarsely ground. Add the cooked brown rice, nutritional yeast, tamari, smoked paprika, and water to the food processor. Pulse until everything is well combined and the mixture resembles coarse crumbles. Avoid overprocessing. You want to maintain some texture. And there you have it. Homemade plant-based meat crumbles ready to elevate your culinary creations. The beauty of plant-based meat crumbles lies in their versatility. You can customize their flavor profile to suit any dish or cuisine. For a classic taco night, sprinkle in cumin, chili powder, and garlic powder. Craving Italian? Opt for dried oregano, basil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Feeling adventurous? Explore Middle Eastern flavors with a dash of cumin, coriander, and turmeric. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust the seasonings to your liking. Remember, the key to unlocking extraordinary flavor is to taste and adjust as you go. Section 5. Beyond the Basics Crumble Cooking Techniques. Welcome to the next level of culinary creativity, where we explore the versatile world of plant-based meat crumbles. Now that you've mastered the art of crumble creation, let's dive deeper into the various cooking methods that can elevate your dishes. These techniques will not only enhance the flavor, but also the texture of your meals. The beauty of these meatless wonders is that they can be used in countless ways. From traditional recipes to innovative new dishes, plant-based crumbles offer endless possibilities. For a hearty chili, simply crumble them directly into the pot and let them simmer in the flavorful broth. The crumbles absorb the spices and juices, making each bite a burst of flavor. Want to create mouth-watering tacos? Sauté the crumbles in a pan with your favorite taco seasoning until heated through and slightly crispy. This method brings out a rich, savory taste that pairs perfectly with fresh toppings. Use them as a pizza topping, adding a delightful crunch and a protein-packed punch to your favorite pie. Whether you prefer a classic margarita or a loaded veggie pizza, crumbles make a great addition. Stuff them into bell peppers for a satisfying dinner. The crumbles blend seamlessly with the peppers, creating a nutritious and filling meal that's both colorful and delicious. Or mix them into pasta sauces for a protein boost. The crumbles add a hearty texture to your sauce, making it more substantial and satisfying. Perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a special occasion. Pro tip: to enhance their meaty texture, try pan-frying the crumbles in a bit of oil until they're golden brown and slightly crispy. This technique gives them a satisfying crunch that mimics traditional meat, making them a hit even with non-vegans. Experiment with different cuisines and cooking styles. From Asian stir-fries to Mediterranean wraps, plant-based crumbles can adapt to any flavor profile. Their versatility makes them a staple in any kitchen. Don't forget to garnish your dishes with fresh herbs and spices. A sprinkle of cilantro, basil, or parsley can elevate the flavors and add a touch of freshness to your meals. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a group of friends, plant-based crumbles are sure to impress. Their ability to blend into any dish while providing a nutritious alternative to meat makes them a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike. So go ahead, get creative in the kitchen, and enjoy the endless possibilities that plant-based crumbles have to offer. Happy cooking. Section 6. The Vegan Victory, Health on a Plate. In this section, we delve into the myriad benefits of embracing a plant-based diet and how it can transform your health. Switching to a plant-based diet comes with a plethora of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to improving your heart health, the advantages are numerous and well documented. Plant-based meat crumbles, in particular, offer a nutritious and delicious way to reduce your intake of saturated fat and cholesterol, which are commonly found in animal products. These crumbles are crafted to mimic the texture and taste of traditional meat, making the transition to a plant-based diet seamless and enjoyable. These meatless marvels are packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent various digestive disorders. They're also a good source of protein, essential for building and repairing tissues. Protein is a crucial nutrient that supports muscle growth, skin health, and overall bodily functions. By incorporating plant-based meat crumbles into your diet, you're not only treating your taste buds but also nourishing your body from the inside out. These crumbles are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes from tacos to pasta, making them a convenient addition to any meal plan. Embrace the power of plants and experience the positive impact on your overall well-being. By choosing plant-based options, you're making a conscious decision to support your health, the environment, and animal welfare. The journey to a healthier you starts with the choices you make on your plate, so why not start today and savor the benefits of a plant-based lifestyle? Section 7. Mother Earth's Champion, the Eco-Friendly Feast. Choosing plant-based meat crumbles isn't just a win for your health, it's also a powerful way to reduce your environmental impact. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By opting for plant-based alternatives, you're choosing a more sustainable and compassionate way to nourish yourself. Plant-based meat crumbles require significantly less land, water, and energy to produce compared to their animal-based counterparts. Making conscious food choices is a powerful step towards preserving our planet for future generations. Join the movement towards a more sustainable future, one delicious plant-based meal at a time. Section 8. Plant-Powered Wisdom, Expert Insights and Fun Facts. Did you know that a plant-based diet can reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer? It's true. By incorporating more fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains into your daily meals, you can significantly improve your overall health. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. Leading health organizations worldwide are recognizing the incredible health benefits of plant-based eating. The American Heart Association, the World Health Organization, and many others advocate for a diet rich in plant-based foods. They emphasize that such a diet can lead to better heart health, improved blood sugar levels, and a lower risk of certain cancers. Experts agree that a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs to thrive. This includes essential vitamins, minerals, and even protein. Yes, you can get enough protein from plant-based sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa. It's all about variety and balance. Fun fact: plant-based foods are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases and aging. Antioxidants neutralize these harmful molecules, reducing inflammation and supporting overall cellular health. Foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens are particularly high in these beneficial compounds. These powerful compounds can help boost your immune system and promote overall health and well-being. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich foods can lead to better skin health, improved digestion, and even enhanced mental clarity. Embrace the power of plants and experience the transformative effects on your health and the planet. By choosing plant-based options, you're not only nourishing your body but also contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. So, why not start today? Enjoy the vibrant flavors and incredible benefits of a plant-powered lifestyle. Section 9. Crumble your way to a better you. So there you have it, the wonderful world of plant-based meat crumbles. These versatile, delicious, and nutritious ingredients are a game changer for anyone looking to embrace a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just starting your plant-based journey, these crumbles are a must-try. Get creative in the kitchen, experiment with flavors, and discover the endless possibilities that await. From hearty chilies to flavorful tacos, comforting pasta dishes to satisfying salads, plant-based meat crumbles are here to elevate your culinary creations. Embrace the power of plants and embark on a delicious and fulfilling culinary adventure. Subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.